This instructional video explains how to correct database service errors related to the Scanmate version 4 software. A PDF transcript of this video can be downloaded via the link in the comments section. If the Scanmate software starts but does not proceed beyond the login screen, the database service may have stopped. To troubleshoot this issue, you will need to be logged in as either a local or domain administrator. Hold the Win keyboard key and press the R keyboard key. The Run window will open. Type SQL Server Manager 11.msc and click OK. The SQL Server Configuration Manager window will open. On the left-hand side, click SQL Server Services. A list will be populated on the right-hand side. Right-click the SQL Server entry. Select Start from the context menu. Once the service has started, the state will be updated to Running. Note that if you are not logged in as administrator, you will not be able to change the service state. The software should now begin normally. If problems persist, refer to the other troubleshooting videos in this series.